Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Dr. Carl Explains, your YouTube channel where we go through GCSE science content quickly and easily. Today it's a quick one because we're going through balancing equations in under 5 minutes. So smash the like button, hit subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so the aim of balancing equations is for the number of atoms on one side of the equation to be even with the number of atoms on the other. So here are my reactions on this side, they've got to be even with the number of this side. So here, really quickly, you can only put numbers in front. And so I've got one sodium here, that's fine. 2 hydrogens here, 1, 2, 3 hydrogens on this side. So I need to balance this up, even it up. I'm going to put 2 here, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens. 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens. I've now got 2 oxygens on this side, but that's okay because I've got 2 oxygens on this side. 2 sodiums, so I need to put a 2 here to balance that up. So really quickly, common mistakes. So a lot of pupils don't understand that when you have hydrogen plus oxygen, that makes water. So to balance this, we need to have 2 oxygens on this side and 2 oxygens on this side. So you could put a 2 here, but the problem with that is no longer water. That is now hydrogen peroxide. And if you drank that, you'd die. So you can't put numbers anywhere. You can only put them in front. And so in doing so, you need to put a 2 here to get 2 oxygens on this side, 2 oxygens on this side, that's fine. Now I've got 4 hydrogens, so I need to put a 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. That gives me 4 hydrogens on this side. That's now balanced. Okay, so some questions. What I want you to be able to do is pause the video as we go and try and answer these questions. So write this down, pause the video, try and balance it. Okay, so straight away then, I've got 2 hydrogens on this side and 3 hydrogens on this side. So I'm going to balance it up again. We're going to put a 2 here. I've now got 4 hydrogens on this side. So to balance that, I put a 2 here, and that gives me 4 hydrogens. I've now got 2 oxygens, that's fine. 2 potassiums there. Job done. Next one, write it down, pause the video, have a go. Okay, so here I've got sodium here. I've got 2 sodiums here, so I'm going to put a 2 just there. I've now got 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens. Got 2 on this side, so I'm going to put a 2 there. That's balanced. Really well done if you got that right. Next one, write it down, pause the video, have a go. It's all about practice with balancing equations. So here, hydrogen, 1 here, 2 here. So I'm going to put a 2 here. Job done. That's balanced. Next one, phosphorus, 5 chlorines. Pause the video, write it down, try and balance it. Remember, even numbers of reactants on this side, even numbers of products on this side. So 5 chlorines here, I'm going to put a 5 there to get the same number of chlorines. Then my hydrogen, I've now got 2 here. So, and I've got my oxygen, so let's have a look. So 4 oxygens there, I'm going to try and put a 4 there. That now gives me 8 hydrogens. Oxygens are balanced. And then I've got 4 there, hydrogens, 8. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's balanced as well. Lovely. Last one. So I've got C2H6. Top tip, whenever you see a molecule when it's by itself, leave it till the end. And so what we're going to look at then, so we're going to try and balance this up. So I've got 1 carbon here, 2 carbons here, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, so the problem with this one is we've got an uneven number of oxygens, and it's not going to help me if I put a 2 here because I'm still going to have an odd number. So I need to put a 2 here to give myself a little bit more to play with. So I've now got 4 carbons, so I'm going to put 4 on this side. And then looking at this now, I've now got hydrogen. So 2 times H, or 2 times 6, sorry, is 12. So I'm going to put a 6 here to get my 12 hydrogens. And now finally, I've got 8 oxygens on this side, or this part, plus 6. So that's going to give me a total of 14. And so I put a 7 there to balance it up. Thank you very much for watching. Please do go through my other videos for more help with GCSE science. And remember, if you need help with any of your work, Dr. Carl explains. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.